Welcome to the YouTube channel PCMB Tutorials. I hope you all are fine. Today we are going to learn class 9th foundation subject mathematics, and this is our chapter polynomials part 5. In this chapter we'll start with the topic of factorization of polynomials. So there are total 3 methods for factorization that we are going to learn. First is taking out common factors. Second is by identities. Third one is by middle term splitting. So let us start with the first method is taking out common factor. Taking out common factor. So we'll start with the basic example. There is an example that is x in bracket x minus y plus x minus y. Over here we can see x minus y is common, so we will take them common, x minus y and common, and over here remaining is plus 1 and this x. So in another bracket with multiplication we'll take this. So this is the factorization by taking out common factor. One more question. Question is 1 plus a plus b plus ab will arrange them 1 plus b, and over here we'll take 1 plus a plus ab. Like this we've arranged. Rearranging them, I'll write rearranging terms. So we wrote 1 plus b plus a plus ab, because if we take 1 common, so we'll get 1 plus b in bracket, and plus if we took a common, so we'll get 1 plus b in bracket, so we got 1 plus b as common bracket. So this will be our answer. Like this the questions are there. One more, let us solve. One more question is 18 a minus b whole square plus 27 a minus b. In this question, first we will write them in free form and then we'll take out common. But here we can see clearly that a minus b can be taken out common, and even 9 can also be the common one. So let us write. First we'll write in simplest form. So if we took a minus b common in bracket 18 bracket a minus b plus 27 will be remaining. Again we can take 9 common. So by taking 9 common, we'll get 2 in bracket a minus b plus 3. So 9 in bracket a minus b in bracket 2a minus 2b plus 3, or this both are the correct answer. Means we can write in bracket also and we can remove the bracket also in the big bracket. So this is the answer. I hope you have understood. Now let us see factorization using identities. Before that, we'll learn some important identities. Like there are many algebraic identities, but the most important to solve some questions are a plus b whole square. This is the most common and important. A square plus 2ab plus b square. Second is a minus b whole square, that is a square minus 2ab plus b square. Third one is a plus b in bracket multiplied by a minus b in bracket. So we get a square minus b square. A plus b's whole cube is equal to a cube plus b cube plus 3 a square b plus 3ab square. Next is a minus b whole cube, that is equal to a cube minus b cube minus 3a square b plus 3ab square. A square a cube minus b cube is equal to a plus b in bracket multiplied by a square minus ab plus b square in bracket. This is a cube plus b cube, and a cube minus b cube is equal to a minus b in bracket a square plus ab plus b square in bracket. Now let us start with one easiest question. The question is, factorize 4x square plus 12x plus 9. So for factorizing, this is looking like this first identity, because 2x whole square gives 4x square plus 2 multiplied by a 2x, b we don't know still, plus 9 will be 3's whole square. 3 is the square. So over here we'll put the value of 3. So by multiplying we get this value. 2 into 2, 4x into 3, 12x. So we are getting this value. So that's why 2x plus 3's whole square. This is the factorization. Or else you can write like this. The answers are same. One more, it is like 100 minus 9 z square. 100 minus 9 z square. So this 100 looks like 10 square minus 9 z square looks like 3z square. And this is suitable in this third identity. It means we can write 10 plus 3z in bracket multiplied by 10 minus 3z gives this value. I hope you understood till this. Like this questions come You just have to identify the patterns. Now the third method we will learn in part 6. I hope you've understood till this. Thank you for watching. Let us meet in part 6 with more interesting topic. Thank you for watching.